Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. And here we are, the first video for 2024. Happy New Year, everyone. So we're still in the holiday season, just for a few more days. I have a little bit of pie dough here and some really nice minced meat filling. And I'm going to use this to make some little mincemeat tarts. We're going to be using a little muffin pan and super easy, so let's get started. So I will put up on the screen this dough that I made here. I'll put all the ingredients for it. I have made this dough before, so we're not going to be going through that today. We'll just get right into the little tarts. And I have already made 6 tarts the other day with this dough. So I'm just going to get a little bit of this. Going super easy today, just relax. Going to get a little bit of flour down. A little bit on the top. I wasn't going to film this, but I've got the dough made and I thought, well, you know what, even though it's a little bit late in the season to be doing this, I might as well, because these are really delicious. And it doesn't matter if you're a little bit into January. Got a little cookie cutter here. This is 7 3/16, 88 millimeters. You just get these at the dollar store, a couple of dollars, and you get quite a few cutters. And on one side, you've got that little crinkle cut kind of pattern, and on the other side, it's just round. When you're cutting, try to keep your circles as close together as you can, so that you maximize the dough that you have actually rolled out. See? Nice little dough. And we're just going to get it on there. There we go. You can go like that so that it doesn't stick. And then as close as possible to the next cut that you made. There we go. So you can see how easy this is. I mean, this is not much of a tutorial, but it's a fun one. I thought I would just film it. Why not? And there's our third one already. You can see how quickly this goes. So this one batch of dough makes a lot of these. As I said, I've already done 6 of them, and we're gonna, do a lot more. I'm not gonna use up all of that dough, but I'll do 6 for this video. Almost get, yeah, I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get another one there. See, I maximized that dough and I was able to get another one. There we go. So there we have it. There's a little bit of dough in there. Let's take that out, and there's our number 4. Okay. And then you can either grab another piece or you can just roll this up and get another one out of there, which I'll do. Well, that's pretty good. I was able to get everything done out of that one piece of dough. So there we have it. We'll get that on there. Nice. We're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's equal to 204 degrees Celsius. So out of that one little piece of dough, we have our 6 little tarts. And that's quite a bit of dough I've got left. I would say I could do another 12 tarts out of this recipe. So if I did 12, so if my math is right, that would be about 24 of this size of tart from that one recipe, which is very nice. And then what you want to do is just gently push these down. Push from the sides. Don't push down into the bottom because you don't want to break the pastry. So once it's down, then you can just gently fix it. That looks good like that. We're going to go down. Now, it's up to you. You can leave these completely bare, or you can add something on the top. Some people will cover these completely, or you can do some little fancy design out of pastry as well. It's up to you. If you want to go really easy, you just fill it with the filling into the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. Push that down. Yeah, I'm glad I decided to film this because this is nice and stress-free today. And there we go. Okay. So I'm going to take another piece of dough. I'm just going to add the other pieces to it. I'm going to roll this out, and then I'm just going to cut out some nice little stars that fit perfectly in there. Alright, so I have just rolled this out. We've got our little cutter. And then I'm just going to cut out our little circles. Our little stars. So we've got 5 and we need one more. And there we go. And then we've got our really nice minced meat filling. This here is top of the line stuff. I love this stuff. This, where are we, right? Where's the name? Yeah, right there. Good stuff. Now as this bakes in the oven, it's going to start bubbling, so you do not want to overfill these. But you don't want to be cheap either, because you want to have a nice ratio of the filling to pastry. Okay, once you're happy with your amount of filling, that looks great. And then we are on to the final step. Then we're just going to take our little stars. Make sure I'm on camera here. Let's go a little bit closer. And then just put these right in the middle. And if you have anything like that, this will burn, so just kind of clean that off. Let's get your hand towel and just remove anything on the sides because it will burn. So that looks good. Just makes it makes easier cleanup for you at the end as well when you're cleaning your little muffin tin. There we go, just nicely on the top. And there's no need to egg wash these. Totally fine like this. They turn out really nicely. And the star is a really nice finishing touch. And there we go. So with this recipe, there is no need to chill. You can go right from here into the oven. That's what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to bake these for 12 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. So here we are again. I baked these for exactly 12 minutes. I set them down here. I let them completely cool, and I'll just show you how easily these come out. I don't even have to get in here to break them away. They're just all coming right out with no problem. This one here may be a little bit of a problem. No, there we go. That's good too. And then this one here, and there we go. So let's take them out. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, they smell amazing. Now this is a non-stick pan that I'm using. I did not grease it. They just come out like this. Very nice. So just to finish off the video, I want to show you what they look like inside. We'll just get our knife and go right through. Look at that. Oh, really nice crust on there. Look at this. Awesome. That looks really, really good. Yum. Of course, I'm going to have to go in for a little bite. Oh yeah. That says Christmas holidays to me. Really, really yummy. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. If you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I am going in for another bite. This is so good. Yum. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.